So hi guys, my name is Fateh and our today's topic is artificial intelligence AI. AI refer to the simulation of human intelligence in machines, enabling them to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as learning, problem solving, reasoning, and speech acquisition. Learning include AI can learn from data and improve its performance over time. Problem solving. AI can solve a complex problem and make decisions. Reasoning. AI can reason and draw interference from data. Perception. AI can interrupt and understand data from sensors and images. Types of AI. Narrow or big AI. Designed to perform a specific task such as facial recognition or language translation. General or strong AI aims to match human intelligence and capability. Super intelligence significantly surpasses human intelligence and capability. AI application, virtual assistant, Siri, Google, Alexa, and assistant, images and speech recognition, self-driving car, surveillance system, natural language processes, chatbot, language translation software, predictive analytics, forecasting, risk analysis, personalized recommendation, robotics, industrial automation, autonomous vehicles, AI benefit, increased efficiency, automates tasks and processes, improve efficiency, reduces errors and enhance decision making, enhance customer experience, personalized service and supports, innovation drives drive new products, services, and businesses model. Competitive advantage. Stay ahead in the market with AI adoption. AI challenges. Data quality requires high quality data for effective learning. Bias and ethics. Ensures the fairness, transparency, and accountability. Job displacement addresses potential job displacement and skill gap. Security protect against AI powered cyber threats and attacks. Regulation develop and implement appropriate regulations and standards. AI challenges. Explainability understands and interprets AI decision making processes. Transparency provide clear information about AI system and data usage. Accountability ensure responsibility for AI related actions and outcomes. Value alignment AI aligns AI goals with human values and ethics. AI safety develops and implements measures to prevent potential AI risks. AI future direction Edge AI enable AI processing at the edge of networking, reducing latency. Quantum AI leverage quantum computing for enhanced AI capabilities. Hybrid intelligence combines human and artificial intelligence for collaborative problem solving. Cognitive architectures develop more advanced AI systems that mimic human cognition. Autonomous system creates fully autonomous system that can adopt and learn. AI in industry, healthcare, personalized medicine, disease diagnosis and treatment, finance, risk management, portfolio optimization and fraud detection, transportation, autonomous vehicle, route optimization and traffic management, education, personalized learning, adaptive curricula and intelligent tutorials, manufacturing, predictive maintenance, quality control and supply chain optimization, AI tools and framework. TensorFlow, open source learning framework. PyTorch, open source machine learning library. Keras, high level neural network. OpenCV, computer vision library. NLTK, natural language processor library. Advantages of artificial intelligence: increased efficiency, automate task processes and decision making, improved accuracy, reduces errors, enhance precision, and ensures consistency. Enhanced customer experience, personalized services provide 24/7 support and improve engagement. Data analysis and insights quickly processes vast amount of data, identifies patterns, and provides valuable insights. Innovation and competitiveness drives innovation, create new opportunities, and stay ahead in the market. Scalability and flexibility easily scales to meet charging demands and adopts new situations. Cost saving reduce labor cost, minimize waste, and optimize resources. Improve safety and security, enhances monitoring, detection, and responses to security threats and risks. Faster decision making enables quick and informed decision making, reducing time and uncertainty. New business models and revenue streams create new opportunities for growth, innovations, and AI revenue generation. Advantages of AI in specific industry: healthcare, finance, transportation, Education manufacturing advantages AI in daily life, virtual assistant, images and speech recognition, personal recommendations. Thank you.